My name is Barbara Escalante, and I have 3 children, 5 grandchildren, and 1 more on the way. The staff was always reassuring. They answered all of my questions. Dr. Gohel was amazingly kind and always patient, answering my questions. I never felt rushed. She gave me a personal phone number to call if I couldn't get through to the office after my surgery, if I had any questions or concerns. I do know from talking to other people that, perhaps this is a unique experience. Having somebody be not only professional and good at their job, but personable. So in spite of me being very nervous about needing gum graft surgery, which is what my dentist recommended, because he was so impressed with her work and had worked beside her himself in certain cases, he felt very comfortable recommending her, and I would definitely recommend Dr. Gohel to any dental work that you need to have done.